If you want to change the style of fonts in your device, as you can check, the font style is robotic as the default option firstly in your phone. To change this style, you have to go to themes. If you want to change the fonts, then here's the option fonts. Here are the many type of fonts that you want to apply to your phone. If you want to any other, then you can also search here. I am writing here cursive. Here are the many options of the cursive. It is cursive italic. If you want to choose this, then you can also select it. First you have to download it. When it is starting downloaded, it has been downloaded. Here is the direct option to apply. When you tap on apply, first you have to reboot your device.